Let me be honest with you. Most people talking about AI money online are confusing beginners on purpose. In this video, I'll show you exactly how AI makes money, how beginners should start, and what to avoid, step by step. No hype, no scams, just real strategy. This is AI Hustle Lab. AI is not magic. AI is a tool. Just like electricity or the internet, the people who understand how to use it make money, not the people who watch from the sidelines. Right now, businesses need content. Brands need automation. People need speed. AI provides all three. That's where opportunity lives. Here's the mistake beginners make. They try to learn everything at once. AI writing, AI coding, AI trading, AI design, and they end up doing nothing. Rule number 1. One AI skill. One problem. One offer. If you remember only one thing from this lesson, remember that. Skill 1. AI writing. Social media posts. Emails. Ebooks. Skill 2. AI design. Thumbnails. Flyers. Instagram carousels. Skill 3. AI automation. Chatbots. Simple workflows. Business tools. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be useful. You don't need money to start. ChatGPT for writing and ideas. Canva for design. CapCut for videos. These tools remove excuses. AI does not pay you. People pay you for results. Examples: an ebook that solves a problem, a service that saves time, a template that makes work easier. AI helps you deliver faster. Here's your action plan after this video. 1. Choose one AI skill. 2. Practice for 7 days. 3. Create one simple offer. 4. Post content consistently. That's it. If you want legit AI income, not hype, you're in the right place. Subscribe to AI Hustle Lab. Like this video so more people can learn. Comment start and I'll guide you step by step.